For homeowners in Slidell, maintaining a comfortable indoor environment while managing energy costs can be a challenge. With warm temperatures, high humidity, and plenty of sunshine throughout the year, your windows play a crucial role in how your home performs. Upgrading to energy-efficient replacement windows is one of the most effective ways to improve comfort, reduce expenses, and enhance your home's overall value. One of the most important benefits is improved energy efficiency. Older windows often have worn seals or single-pane glass that allow heat to pass through easily. This means your air conditioning system has to work harder to keep your home cool. Energy-efficient replacement windows are designed with features like double or triple pane glass, insulating gas fills, and low-E coatings that reduce heat transfer. In Slidell's warm climate, this helps keep indoor spaces cooler and more stable throughout the day. Another major advantage is enhanced indoor comfort. Drafty or outdated windows can create uneven temperatures in different parts of your home. Some rooms may feel too warm, while others remain cooler. Energy-efficient windows help eliminate these inconsistencies by providing better insulation and sealing. The result is a more comfortable living environment where temperatures remain consistent from room to room. Humidity control is also a key factor in Slidell homes. Excess moisture in the air can make your home feel sticky and uncomfortable, and it can also lead to issues like mold or mildew. Energy-efficient windows help limit outside air infiltration, reducing the amount of humid air entering your home. This helps maintain a more balanced indoor environment and supports better air quality. Another noticeable benefit is the increase in natural light without added heat. Modern replacement windows are designed to let in sunlight while blocking excessive heat. This allows you to enjoy bright, welcoming spaces without raising indoor temperatures. Natural light also reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, contributing to additional energy savings. Energy-efficient windows also provide noise reduction, which enhances overall comfort. The multi-pane design and improved sealing help block outside noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. Whether you live near a busy street or simply want a more peaceful home, this added insulation makes a difference in your daily living experience. Durability is another important advantage. Modern replacement windows are built with materials like vinyl or fiberglass that are designed to withstand Slidell's climate. These materials resist warping, cracking, and moisture damage, ensuring long-lasting performance. With fewer maintenance needs and better resistance to the elements, homeowners can enjoy reliable windows for years to come. Security is also improved with newer window designs. Energy-efficient replacement windows often include advanced locking systems and stronger frames, making them more resistant to forced entry. This added layer of protection provides peace of mind for homeowners and their families. Another key benefit is the potential for lower energy bills. Because these windows help maintain indoor temperatures more effectively, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard. This leads to reduced energy consumption and noticeable savings over time. For many homeowners, this financial benefit is one of the main reasons to invest in replacement windows. In addition to functional improvements, energy-efficient windows can significantly enhance your home's appearance and curb appeal. New windows provide a clean, updated look that complements your home's design. With a variety of styles, colors, and finishes available, you can customize your windows to match your personal preferences while improving the overall aesthetic of your property. Another long-term advantage is the increase in home value. Buyers are often attracted to homes with energy-efficient features that offer comfort and cost savings. Installing replacement windows signals that your home is well maintained and updated, making it more appealing in the real estate market. Finally, these windows contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. By reducing energy consumption, you're lowering your home's environmental impact while still enjoying modern comfort and convenience. In the end, installing energy-efficient replacement windows in Slidell offers a wide range of benefits. From improved comfort and lower energy costs to enhanced durability and increased home value, this upgrade is a smart investment for any homeowner. By choosing high-quality windows and professional installation, you can enjoy a more comfortable, efficient, and enjoyable living space year-round.